Fuelpak FP3 offers access to many of the ECM's tuning tables for even greater degree of tuning precision and customization. The FP3 gives users access to front and rear VE tables, air-fuel ratio table, acceleration enrichment, decel alignment, idle RPM, rev limit, and automatic compression release. These tables should only be modified by advanced users with thorough knowledge of the values and how they operate. Changing these values from factory recommended settings could result in poor rideability or even severe engine damage.